guys, this is Allison with Sewing with Stitches, and I just briefly wanted to show you my new Juki TL18QVP. I've been sewing on this machine for about 2 weeks, and so I just thought I'd do a little intro video and a couple other videos to show you how to get your machine set up. So when you unbox this machine, it's going to look a lot like the TL2000 and the TL2010 models that have come out previously. This is basically the exact same machine. The only difference, which you'll really see, is right up here. This is what Juki calls their floating function, which they include on a bunch of their industrial grade machines, and they've actually included it on the TL18QVP this year too. What this does is that I can turn this counterclockwise and raise it up, and if you look down here, you'll see that it will actually lift the front of your presser foot down here, and that enables you to go over like heavier quilting material, or even I've used it for some lighter material for garment sewing, and it sews over it without creasing your material and getting kind of those gathers that you see that are unintentional sometimes. So I'll lower that back down, and then I'll raise it back up so that you can see the presser foot lifting up slightly with that floating function right there. And back down again. Okay, now some of the other accessories that you'll get along with the TL18QVP are all of these feet, and this was really the main selling feature for me. The previous models do come with like the walking foot, your bobbins, but this edition came with a bunch of other quilting feet right here. You have one that's open so that you can better see your quilting as you're doing it, and 2 more gauges of quilting feet. Then these right here, you have a rolled hem foot. You also have your compensating foot right here if you're like doing a garment sewing and you have some fabric that's a little thicker on one side than the other. You also have this really great zipper foot with a slide at the top so that when it's attached you can slide it from side to side to get each side of your zipper. Then of course you've got your bobbins, your oil, your screwdriver. There's also a specialty screwdriver that comes with it that's not pictured here. And then right here you have your quilting guides that you can attach onto the machine if you're quilting at a greater distance. And of course you also get your soft cover right here that comes with the machine. So this is our brief intro to the machine, and next I will show you how to wind the bobbin.